Do you want to hold the baby?
I'll hold the baby.
Say it again. Ready? What are we going to do?
Baby, hold baby
You want to hold baby sister?
sister. Hold baby sister.
Okay, ready? Here we go. Arms out. Okay, you ready? Do you want to hold? Okay, arms out. Okay, gentle, right? Are you going to be sweet?
Are you gonna get down?
Who's this?
Watch your head.
Who is
Ava
that,
and-
Ava?
Yeah.
Baby Julia. Do you want to give her a little kiss? Oh, that's so sweet. Do you want to hold hands?
Yes.
Hold gentle. Gentle. Good job. Who is this, Ava?
Baby sister's hair.
She's got hair.
She does watch.
It's a watch.
She does hand.
Gentle with the hand.
Ava walked in, ran to baby Julia, gave her a kiss, and demanded
Oh.
that she wanted to hold her and didn't want to cuddle with mommy.
Do you want to give mommy hugs?